Deal on this 4-tool combo kit. Big shout out to Richard at the Deal Team 6 Facebook group for posting this deal. Guys, this is a really good deal. It turns out to less than $100 a piece. So these are fuel items, guys. These are fuel tools. All of them are, and it does include 2 5s, the saw reciprocating saw, the 2 5s, the multi-volt charger, the standard charger. You got the carrying case. You got the M18 6.5 circular saw. You got the 1/4-inch impact driver. So that's the king basically of the impact drivers. You got the 1/2-inch hammer drill. I do have a few videos on that if you want to check them out. That thing's a beast, a torque beast right there. Guys, it's $509. And if you guys go down here to the free gifts, you guys could obviously choose the most expensive tool, which is the battery. And then you could go to the cart. If I can go to the cart and check out the price. And the battery turns out to $115. But if you guys check out the deal, it turns out to $393. Less than $100 a piece, guys. Not including those batteries. Killer deal. You're saving over 30% on this. Definitely check it out. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.